Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking Chinese duck legs. We're going to be cooking in cast iron. We're going to be using the Hellrazr Nomada and we're going to be finishing them off in the wood-fired oven. So come on, let's cook. First thing to do is get our cast iron pot on the Hellrazr Nomada and start getting it warm. Once it's warm, I've got 2 duck legs. I'm just going to put them into the dry pan because these duck legs are going to release a lot of fat. So we're not going to move these, we're not going to touch them for a good 5 minutes. And that's what we're looking for. Nice golden skin on the duck. Turn them over and let those go for a few minutes on that side as well. Once that's done, we're going to take them out of the pan. Nice and golden. To the pan now we're going to add 6 sliced spring onions, 1 bay leaf, 3 slices of ginger, 3 garlic cloves that have been chopped, 1 star anise, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 cup of chicken broth. We're just going to take the good old Dutchy stick and give it a good mix in. Combine all these flavours together. And then all we're going to do is just bring it up to a bit of a gentle simmer. We don't want a rapid boil, just a gentle simmer. We're going to pop our duck legs back in. We want the stock to come about halfway up the duck legs. We don't want to cover them fully because we want to get that skin crispy. We'll pop it back into the wood-fired oven. The wood-fired oven's running 150 to 160 degrees C, that's 300 to 320 F. After 30 minutes, we're going to take a look. We don't want this drying out. We're okay with that. We're going to pop it back in, door on, and go for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're just going to cook some tender stem broccoli. So this is at an hour in the wood-fired oven. It's time to get it out and get it served. To our serving plate, we're just going to put some rice. Arrange our broccoli. To make it look nice. And add a duck leg. I'm just going to add some of these spring onions. And then we're just going to drizzle some of this sauce over. This sauce has had nothing done to it, it's not been reduced, this is straight out the pan. We've got Dutchie's Chinese style duck legs. I think we better go in for a bit of a taste test. Straight in, no messing, we're going with the fingers. Crispy skin on the duck. Tender meat, you can really taste those Chinese flavours coming through. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.